Hello Primary 2, how are you doing? In this lesson, we are going to continue our science curriculum, and now let's start with lesson 6 about matter. Okay, let me ask you some questions. What are the balloons filled with? So, if you saw a balloon, what are these balloons are filled with? They are filled with air. Okay, good. If I give you a glass of water, can you see the water inside the glass? Yeah? Can you hold it on your hand? Okay, that's very good. Okay, now let me move to the second part, and let me tell you what is the meaning of matter. Anything that takes a place, I can call it a matter. So, if I asked you a question, does the book take place or take space on the table? If you said yes, so the book is a matter. So anything that takes a space, it's a matter. So what is the matter made of? Any matter is made of very, very small balls like this, and they are called particles. Particles. So any matter is made up of tiny balls called particles. Let me give you some examples of matter, like the box, water, air. Any object or anything is made up of matter. And we have different types of matter. Firstly, something that is called solid matter. Solid matter. If I ask you, what is this? Yeah, very good. It's a book. So, does it change shape? Can I change the shape of the book? No. Can I change the shape of the mobile phone? No. Can I change the shape of my bag? And this is no. So, can you hold the book on your hand? Yeah. Can you hold the bag in your hand? Yeah, very good. Can you hold the cup in your hand or the glass in your hand? Yeah, very good. If I said yes, it has a definite shape or fixed shape that I cannot change, and I can hold this object in my hand, so I can call this solid matter. Solid matter. So, the solids can be held on our hands, and we cannot walk through the solid. It's a solid. So, the particles of solids are stick together closely. They are so near to each other like this, so we cannot walk through the particles of solids. That's number one. Number two, we can hold the solids on our hand. Number three, solids take a space, like the coin, a piece of rock, the disc, or the table or the chair, and they are the particles of solids. We cannot walk through the particles of solids because they are sticked together so closely. Okay, the number two, matter is called liquid. Liquid. What can you see inside the bottle? Excellent, water. So, does it change the shape when you squeeze it? If you squeezed this bottle in your hand, can you change the shape of water? Excellent, we can if we poured this water in another cup or a different cup, a cup in the shape of a bowl or a rounded cup. The water will take the shape of the container, right? So, does it change the shape? Yeah, that's right. Can you hold the water in your hand? Yeah. So, if it's an object that can change its shape and you can hold on your hand, so that's called a liquid matter. Liquid matter. Very good, like water, oil, and juice. So we can feel the liquids in our hand and we can walk through them. If they are the particles of liquids, there is a spaces between the particles because they are made of tiny parts that are close but they don't stick together. Okay? So we can walk through the water. For example, we can walk inside the water of the sea, and we have here liquid like the juice, water, milkshake or milk or chocolate drink, and they are the particles. There is more spaces between particles of liquids. So that's the matter number 2. Number 3, we have gases. What is inside the balloon? Yeah, excellent, a gas or the air. So does it change the shape when we squeeze it? When we squeeze the balloon in our hand, does it change its shape? Yeah, that's right. And can we hold the air in our hand? No, it's impossible. So it's a gas. So the gas matter we cannot hold on our hand, and also it changes its shape according to the container, and like the air that we breathe. So we cannot touch or hold the gas, but we can easily walk through the gas, like walking through the air. We can walk easily through the air, so we can walk through gases. And that's the particles of gases. They are sprayed all over the place, like the gas of, or the water vapor that comes from boiling water, and like the oxygen gas that we take under the water. So we say that we have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. That's all for this part, and thank you for listening.